What's up, guys? This is Brittany, and I'm coming to you today with a things that I do since I've been in quarantine. We are all in quarantine, honey. They say everything's gonna be lifted, but I feel that everything is gonna be closed again, and we'll be quarantined again. So let me show you guys some of the things that I've been doing. First off, y'all see this game. You see this game that I'm addicted to. This is the Kim Kardashian Hollywood game. Guys, I play this game all day long. I need a new game. Let me know if you know any new games. I love it that you see I can change my hair. You see that? I can change hair. I can change my colors. I can change my outfits. I'm a model. I'm an actress. I'm married to a photographer. I have a house in Bel Air. Not in Bel Air. Beverly Hills. No, Bel Air. I have houses in New York. I have houses everywhere, and I'm just jet setting around the world. So literally, I be telling my husband, like, oh yeah, I gotta go on a date with my husband. Dang, why I gotta go on a date for 8 hours? I need a new game, y'all, because once you start paying for stuff within the game, it's like, girl, why is you spending your money? And baby, I'm on the VIP PP packet right now, so yes, that's what I need to stop doing. So this is the comforter set I got from Amazon. I saw Brandy Giz on her YouTube channel, and she had ordered this beautiful comforter set. So I have it in a king. It came with this, of course, the comforter. It came with these two pillows, and it comes with these shams. These I have two of those and two of those. I asked her, like, girl, what kind of pillows did you put in there? And she said she got jumbo pillows, because as you can see, this thing is very big, and I still have extra room at the end. So that's a jumbo pillow. I got the pillows from, where did I get them from? I got them from Walmart. They were like $3.97, and I got 4 of them. These are just 2 on the bed now, because I'm gonna change them out. My husband was like, why we got so many pillows on the bed? But that's the point, sir. You're supposed to have this much on here, So I think it looks really cute. I'll cut off my husband's side, but yeah, it looks really, really cute. I like it, and the comforter is so freaking thick. Oh, and it also comes with a bed skirt. It came with a bed skirt, which I really, really, really like. So I also got this. This is my iPad. I think this is the 10th generation. I don't know what this is, y'all. I'm sorry. But I got a case. I haven't had a case on it forever when I got it. And I think I got it when I got I got it a while ago. But anyway, it's one of those that you can fold up. Let me see. And then it's just going to stand or whatever. So I got that particular case. And so then I also wanted to get a iPad case. And it came with the, the lettering that goes over the letters. And when you close it, it's see-through. And it's kind of like matte. And so it's pink as well. And then also from Amazon, I got pillowcases to match the comforter set. These are kind of dark, though, but I just need to use these. But I got 4 pillowcases. But look at this. It has a zipper. It has a zipper. It has a zipper to put your pillowcases in. I thought that was so freaking neat. Now, I've also started doing things to my hair. At the beginning of quarantine, I had some knotless braids, but I took them out. I had them about 3 weeks. I took them out because, like, baby, they were pulling and tugging on my edges, honey. So I've been just wearing my hair kind of slick back. I put a ponytail on. Here, I'm trying to, like, do a braided kind of ponytail or whatever. I've watched so many videos on YouTube. So it's like, hey, Brittany, let's try something different. You see that them edges slick. Yeah, I don't have no hair, right? I ain't got no hair. So you can see my braid is crooked. But, it's all about trying. We're just trying stuff out, you guys. We're just trying things out. So I've been just trying to do different things with my hair. I'm so hot. I've been walking. So I haven't really worn any of my wigs, but I really need to do something to my hair. I probably will get a sew-in or something, but I was just trying to braid it look just, just a little something different, because I literally have nowhere to go, and I like to look cute sitting in the house. So that's just things that, I'll do. Nextly, you guys, you know what we doing, girl. We putting some press-ons on. So I have the press-ons that is already an open pack that I'm about to use, but I got these from a beauty supply store. And these are the best. They came with like 30 nails. So I've been able to like use a set and put a whole nother set on and still have a couple of extra nails on. So first you see I'm filing my nails, just kind of like buffing them. Here I'm just using, just the glue. One little, well, not little, one little drop, but I just make sure I have enough glue. And then I just press it down. I find my next nail and I just go about my business. So I've been using press-on nails. The nail salons and everything will actually be opening up tomorrow, but I'm gonna wait. I don't want to be the first wave of people that's just going and doing things. I'm gonna wait and see what actually happens right now. I see the nail salon I go to, it does have like the clear plexiglass up, and they're on Instagram showing how everything is sanitary, this, that, and the other, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm still going to wait. And I see they're doing appointments only, no walk-ins. You have to come in with a mask. But I've been searching Amazon. I have a couple coming from AliExpress. By the time they get here from AliExpress, honey, it's going to be too late. And I'ma have had a full set. But yes, girl, look at these French tips, girl. Look at them. And these actually last at least 5 days. I'm gonna say 4 or 5 days. Not too long, because it's like at a specific day, they all start cracking. Like they just, because they don't just, some of them just break right off, or just pop off, and some just break off because I'm doing too much. I think they're real nails. Like I'm trying to open things with my nails like I always do. Baby, these are press-ons. These are not real. So y'all get y'all some press-ons. They have them at Walmart. They got them at Walgreens. They have them everywhere. Rite Aid if you have one. So who doesn't want to just still look cute in their house? I know I do. I like being cute even if I'm sitting at home. I'm trying new cooking things. I bought an air fryer. As you can see, the chicken looks so crisp and lovely, but baby, inside that chicken was rubbery as wood. That chicken was undercooked and you could die because it was so rubbery. So I tried 8 pieces of chicken that day, and baby, none of them came out right. Next, I've been doing a lot of stuff to my face. I have a lot of different kind of things I've been putting, facial mask, and this is St. Ives Hydrating. It's like a cleanser for everyday use. And I sometimes put it on in the morning and at night, or I just put it on in the morning, or I just put it at night, and I just rub it in and I wash it off. And after it just clear, because I have no makeup. I haven't been wearing makeup or eyelashes or anything like that every once in a while. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. Next, you gotta binge watch. Binge watch your favorite show. And if you know me, you know Law and Order SVU is my favorite show. I can direct anything that happened in the real world from an episode of Law and Order. I do this daily. It's just something I do. But I've been binge watching a lot of shows like Hanging with Mr. Cooper, Blackish, which I'm really not a fan of. Black AF is a horrible show. But yeah, binge watching is what's up. We've been playing games. I have cards, jumbo cards. I love playing Pity Pack with jumbo cards. Me and Brooklyn love doing that. Also, you guys, look at YouTube. They got the best alcoholic beverages that you can make. And they'll show you what to do, okay? Next, you guys, I've been cleaning. This is my room again. I've been cleaning. I've been decorating. I'm waiting on things to come in. I'm just trying to make this last. And then, of course, we have TikTok. We love to do TikTok in this house. So, yes, you guys, this is a couple of things that I've been doing since quarantine. I hope it gives y'all something to do. But, y'all, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.